All right, good afternoon, traders. Today is September 6, 2024. My name is John Carrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. This is the BYOB Market Wrap Up. Hey, let's take a look at some charts. First chart we look at SPY. All right, let's take a look at it on a clean chart right here. And 10-minute. We got ourselves a 10-minute downtrend coming into the close. We have support right around 538.26. That's the 10-minute chart. 2-hour chart. 2-hour downtrend. Daily chart. Could be biggest red candle at the end of this move coming into the support area. All right, see the support right through here? We got some tails that stretch down to that area. Okay, so somewhere around right through there. All right, maybe 537, but anyways, right through there. And you can see we are now below all-time high anchored VWAP right there. Okay, so there's SPY on the daily. Guess what? Still in an uptrend till it takes out this low. All right. Incredible. As much as it's moved down, it's still in an uptrend until it takes out this low way down here. They didn't put any pivots in. If they happen to take out that high, actually they've been in an uptrend since they took out this high. So still in an uptrend for SPY. All right, let's move this over. Let's take a look at big red candle there. That could signal the end of a move. We'll see what happens. Let's take a look at QQQ. All right, QQQ, same deal. Lower high, lower low, closing underneath, bearish trap underneath the 17 EMA. Still in an uptrend till it takes out this low, this low down here. Okay, so QQQ still in an uptrend. It has made a lower high right here, according to that, but from this position right here, we're in an uptrend, taking out that high right there. So there's QQQ. Let's take a look at, go back to SPY. Again, SPY in an uptrend till it takes out this low down here. All right, let's take a look at FNGU. FNGU really fell out of bed again today. Could be, again, biggest red candle signaling the end of the move here on FNGU. All right. Price action for FNGU. Lower high, lower low, closing underneath, bearish trap underneath the 17 EMA. Okay, so FNGU still in an uptrend till it takes out this low right here. All right, so FNGU still in an uptrend but moving back. QQQ uptrend but moving back. SPY uptrend but moving back. Let's take a look at Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow in an uptrend but moving back. Lower high, lower low, closing underneath, bearish trap underneath 17 EMA. There's Diamond Dow. Let's take a look at IWM. IWM still in a downtrend. They failed to take out the high over here. So IWM still in a downtrend, putting in a lower high and a lower low, closing underneath, bearish trap underneath the 17 EMA. Okay, it was moving up. Now it's kind of pulling back. So there's IWM. Hopefully, this could be the biggest red candle signaling the end of the move here. You can see it right on support. Okay, got support right there for IWM. Okay, we got SPY on support right through here. Okay, this is support 537, 538. You can see all these tails and these reversals in this area. Okay, so SPY also sitting near support. QQQ sitting on, well, they broke through that support right there, spiked it. And next support, they're sitting on this support right here. Okay, so QQQ sitting on support. A lot of stuff sitting on support. AVGO also sitting on support. This is all this consolidation here. AVGO sitting on support. FNGU also sitting on support. See all the support right over here to the left? Okay, so FNGU sitting on support. AVGO sitting on support. We could get a bounce next week, all right? Not saying we're going to get it, but I'm just saying we're sitting on a lot of support. Now, if we come down here and consolidate, all right, and we hang around here and linger too long into a bear flag, that bounce is coming off the table, all right? Then it makes a setup for another move down. So all in all, hope we don't linger down here too long, all right? Otherwise, we got another move lower. Okay, so there's FNG. Let's take a look at the technicals. T2122. We made our way back into the buyer's chop zone, and the bears threw us out. Then we were in the seller's chop zone, and the bears threw us out of there. Then we were in the sell zone, and the bears threw us out of there. And we came all the way down here to the oversold zone and just consolidated right there in the oversold zone, right between the two cells, the sell zone and the oversold zone. So T2123. All right, we're back below. This is not good. Okay, back below this rising 200 SMA, back below prior all-time highs. Still got the all-time highs up there. So not a good day for the markets. A lot of selling happening across the board, even in the big caps, even in the small caps, even in the mid caps. All right, a whole lot of selling happening. Not sure what's causing the selling, but everything is looking good and robust to have a nice rally. This may be pulling back to grab some energy to surge forward. We'll see what happens. T2123 3 bar. You can see we got price now under the 17, putting in three new red candle bars right there on the 3 bar chart. Still got a lot of space between this 200 SMA and the price action right there. T2123 right there. Okay, so that's still bullish. I like that it's moved up. It's coming over to consolidate. Little healthy pullback is not bad. Just don't make a habit of it. All right. FNGU, we went through that one. Selling from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. Sitting on support right now. Now we thought we were on support up here. Didn't seem to hold. Now we're down support. We're on support under here. So they're really damaging everything, these charts and the technical patterns. Bear trend is no longer damaged. Okay, looking like this. Bear trend halts here, starts a new one right up there. All right, we need the bulls to either wake up. I don't know if the bulls are sleeping. I like it when the bears are sleeping, but the bulls seem to be sleeping here. All right, so FNGU, price action, getting that harsh pullback. All right, let's take a look at energy sector. We'll start off with USO, which is in a downtrend. USO, lower high, lower low, closing underneath, bearish trap underneath the 17 EMA. See, USO took out that low, that low, that low, that low, taking out a lot of lows, okay? So it's in a downtrend, making a lower high and a lower low. USO, downtrend. UNG, in an uptrend, price action, higher low, higher high, closing over, bullish trap over the 17 EMA. I got to tell you, UNG gets up over 1477. That's going to look like a good, if it can hold, get up over there and hold for 3 or 4 days, that would be a nice buy area to buy off this double bottom. Excuse me. All right, so UNG. Let's take a look at precious metals, silver. All right, this is the first week. This is the first week of September, so not a very good week for September. Historically, I've had traders tell me that September has never been, historically, has been a poor month for the markets. All right, so here's silver still in an uptrend till we take out, well, this low or this low. Price action, heavy selling today. Lower high, lower low, closing underneath, bearish trap underneath the 17 EMA. So there's silver. Take a look at gold. Gold still in an uptrend. Silver still in an uptrend. Okay, gold putting in a lower high and a lower low, closing underneath a bearish cross, but above the 17 EMA. That's in a bull flag consolidation up there. Gold is still in an uptrend. Silver, as ugly as it is still in an uptrend since they took out this high right here. All right, so silver still in an uptrend. All right, let's take a look at SMH. SMH. Looking like a took out this high, made a uptrend, but having a harsh pullback here. So still in a down, still pulling back hard. It's not going to be long. They're going to have themselves a new, a new downtrend. I think if they take out this low or this low, they'll have themselves a downtrend. There's SMH moving down right there. XLK, but still in an uptrend. XLK, they take out this low or this low, they'll be in a downtrend. Right now they're in an uptrend with a harsh pullback. Boy, is that a harsh pullback. That's XLK. All right, XLI, still in an uptrend till they take out this low. All right, but having a harsh pullback. Too much harsh pullbacks. All right, XLF in an uptrend till they take out this low. All right, again having a pullback here. Now they're on minor support right there, so XLF could bounce here next week. We'll see. A lot of stuff sitting on support. Like to see the bounce next week. I don't know if we get FOMC or CPI or something comes out. Maybe somebody could announce some rate cuts. Anything would probably help this market. Trying to spin it around. I don't even think that's enough. A 25-point basis cut is going to help, but I don't think it's a whole lot. But there's XLF still in an uptrend. XIYT transports still in an uptrend since they took out this high right here, but pulling back right there. Lower high, lower low, closing under the bearish trap, but over this and under the 17 EMA. So IYT kind of selling off here. That's our transports. XRT, retail sector, okay, was never in an uptrend, stayed in a downtrend. They were in a downtrend when they broke that low, that low, that low, that low, and that low right there. They broke all those lows. They're in a downtrend. And in order to recover that downtrend, they had to take out this high. And they failed to take out the high, so even though they were moving up, they're having a harsh pullback, just like the rest of the market. What is that? It's almost looking like a 67% retracement, really, right there. Hopefully Fibonacci, the traders got the memo that there's a Fibonacci pullback right here. We'll see what we got. Let's just see what we've got. Pull up the Fibonacci just to see. We haven't used that in a long time. Fibonacci retracement. Let's try this. Up to the top. Oh yeah, we're way past the 618. Right here, way past 618. We're almost headed for the 100 down here. Okay, so hopefully the markets understand that there should be. There's the Fibonacci retracement. It's time to stop and go in the other direction. So anyway, there's XRT, still in a downtrend. Again, okay, that's it, traders. We had everything lined up for a nice, robust rally, but FNGU just couldn't participate. We had T2123 hitting new all-time highs. We had industrials hitting new all-time highs. We had financials hitting all new all-time highs. We had a lot of Diamond Dow made new all-time highs. SPY was up there challenging the all-time highs. We had everything was lined up to have a really nice, robust rally, but just FNGU just couldn't get it together. All right, if we'd have had those big caps moving up instead of down, we could have had ourselves a nice pop up to 580, 600 in the SPY. But that's it. All right, traders, that's it for me. Everybody have a beautiful weekend. We'll see what happens and see if we come back to a bounce on Monday. All right, we'll see what happens. They're sitting on support. Are they going to consolidate on support, or are we going to get a bounce off of support? I don't know. We'll find out. All right. Until Monday, everybody have a wonderful afternoon, a wonderful weekend. Thanks for being here. Thank you, everybody in Digital Land, like Kathy and Bob and everybody. John, appreciate all of the kind comments and participating in the room and on YouTube. I really appreciate that. I like the thumbs up. That helps the algorithm, keep me afloat over here. All right, appreciate that. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. That's it. Until Monday, everybody take care.